Ma. Morning, morning.
Go.
Okay, we're going out. Hi. Ano na?
Walk.
So, where's Mama? Hi, Mama. Morning. Say morning. Nakalata ka na?
Rice.
And then, rice. You want some rice?
Rice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want?
Happy. A rice.
Lihat ko dati yung mga galing ko. Tapos sa kain sa implant ko yung try kay yung marong. And rice na.
Ano?
Ano tanya dati ko lagi din.
Kami sa ospital. Para mapacheck yung ngipin ni po yung putol. Bumili kami ng itlog-itlog.
Dada.
Tada, let me see. Wow. Mama. Then, let me see. Open mo ta. Two. Kasi two. Mamaya na baka kasi umiyak siya pag yan.
It's water. How about this? You want this?
Wow.
Dada.
Open?
You need the alcohol.
Open?
Alcohol in your hands.
Oh, 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 oh.
Are you hot? Drama.
Lagi ka may pagkain. Picnic ba to? Hmm? You're good? Eh, dito tayo. Saan tayo ngayon? No. Bakit? Ano daw? Tsaka mo. Look, look, look. Where are we? Yung motor na. Para pag sinapay yan.
Sinapay? Apay?
Gusto mo?
Kasi kagumarang ka?
Gusto mo?
Naku, magawit tayo ah.
Bigla kayo tayo? Look, nasa mata ko. Ano mo mayasal?
Hindi dahil.
Hindi tayo na mayasal. Look, cars!
Yan.
Look, no cars! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Let's walk. Talaga ito ano no? Ano to walking area ng mga tao na. Okay, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, heart. Big heart, yeah. Let's go. Yeah, let's take it off. Let's go. One, two, three, go. Whoa! Is it good? Yeah. Let's go na. Stay lang. I know. Oh, look at your milk. Oh, it's available na. Your milk is available here. Tingnan mo yung bottles na yung available dito. Yeah, your milk. What you going to do? Step. Look, watch your step. Watch your step. Look at your milk. Where's your milk? Yeah, I know. That's your milk. Go, okay, let's go. Yeah, okay. You want some cake?
Yeah.
Let's check the cake. Come on. They didn't have cake. They didn't have purple cake. Oh, there they have purple cake there. This side. Purple cake. Wow, bilang mo ko the purple cake. What about purple ice cream? Purple ice cream. What's that? Which one you want? Pink and purple? Which one you want? Okay, let's have purple. Oh, sa'yo yang. Pink? Okay. You want pink and purple? Pwede dalawa na lang. Ito na lang pula, dalawang 168. Para dalawang flavor. Ano sa'yo?
Ay, ito na ito, bisco.
Ha?
Bisco. Cookie butter bisco.
Ito? Oh, ilan? Go. Tignan mo na yung cookie dough. Ice cream?
Happy.
Yeah.
Happy. 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 Mama, happy. 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 Yeah. Yeah, happy.
No. We're by ice cream. You want water?
Yeah, no, Mama, water.
Yeah, here's your water. You want water? Here are your shoes. Ay, na bilhin ko yung kung mag-pizza.
Yeah.
Gusto mag-pizza.
Mama, apple.
Dylan, look. Look at ate, oh. Look, ate's got shoes, oh, wheel. On wheels.
Pink? You want pink? Which one you want? Purple or pink?
Purple.
Ano ba? Purple or pink? Isang pink yung strawberry. Strawberry tsaka ito. Tubig. Ice cream. Thank you. Let's go sit mo. Sit mo.
Ako ulit ako.
Kaya nga po tayo. So, thank you, Tita. Thank you. Alam ka ba bang... Iwan mo na sa ice cream. Alam ka na. Let's go. Come. Come here. Where? There? Layo mo. White cheese.
Purple in my phone. Nana.
White cheese. Ako.
Yummy? Yummy?
Mama.
Oo. Yang,
Mama.
ikaw. Oo, ka na. Hey. You wanna try this one? Try. This one lang? Pink lang? Your hands dirty.
Water.
You want water?
Amo.
touch this one na. Just eat your ice cream ba? Good?
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Ayaw mo.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Ops,
Halika na, halika na, halika na. Maria! Say, Mama, stop!
Ribbit.